Now let's move on to the Thor Sequence 2025. At first glance, the Sequence feels more modern and stylish compared to the Solus. The front grille, body design, and windows are sleeker, giving it a slightly more premium appearance. You often see it in white, gray, or even black finishes, which makes it stand out more. Inside, the Thor Sequence uses space very smartly. The cabinetry feels more luxurious, often with wood finishes that add warmth. Like the Solus, the captain chairs swivel to face the living space, but the Sequence feels just a bit more upscale in its layout. The kitchen here includes an induction cooktop, a refrigerator, a stainless steel sink, and in many models, you also get a microwave, which is a big plus. Storage is also more cleverly designed, with pull-out drawers and corner cabinets that maximize space. The bathroom is compact, but slightly better designed than in the Solus. The shower and toilet feel more separate in layout, making it easier to use. The finishes are a little higher end as well, with brushed steel fixtures and better lighting. For sleeping, the Sequence offers something unique. An electric folding bed. At the push of a button, the bed lowers into place, and when not in use, it raises up to create extra living space. Some models even include storage under the bed, which is extremely handy for camping gear or luggage. Technology in the Sequence is top-notch. You'll find smart control panels, LED lights, multiple USB-C ports, solar options, climate control, and modern infotainment systems. It's built on the same ProMaster or Sprinter chassis, so the driving experience is smooth and comfortable, with good handling for highways and city roads alike. So how do these two camper vans compare? When it comes to design, the Solus is simple and practical, while the Sequence looks more modern and luxurious. For interior space, the Solus gives you the advantage of a pop-top roof, creating an extra bed and more headroom, while the Sequence focuses on smart layouts with upscale finishes. In the kitchen, both are compact, but the Sequence offers a microwave and smarter storage solutions. The bathroom is functional in both, but the Sequence edges out with a slightly better layout and nicer materials. When it comes to beds, the Solus wins with its pop-top extra sleeping option, but the Sequence wins for its electric folding bed convenience. For technology, both are strong, but the Sequence's smart control system feels more advanced. And finally, in terms of price, the Solus is usually more budget-friendly, while the Sequence is more expensive, but justifies the cost with added luxury and features. Both are excellent choices, and both are trending in the USA RV market in 2025. Thank you for watching Home on Wheel TV. If you enjoyed this in-depth comparison of the Winnebago Solus and Thor Sequence, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more RV van tours and comparisons.